Check out this channel. They've uploaded only 5 videos and have already gained 139,000 subscribers. The first video has nearly 500,000 views. There are many such YouTube channels. But before we get into this video, please support my channel by subscribing. Recently, YouTube's algorithm has shifted its focus to smaller creators like you and me. This change has been influenced largely by TikTok, which uses a similar algorithm. On TikTok, smaller accounts get a lot of exposure on the For You page, and their first few videos often receive a huge number of views. Creators get inspired by this initial success and feel motivated to create more content. For TikTok, this means more videos, more users, and more revenue for them. And now, YouTube is doing the same. But there's a little catch. Your videos need to be of very high quality. Alright, this information is great. But how can you take advantage of this change? Actually, it will depend on the quality of your next few uploads. But how can you ensure your videos are of good quality? That's something my wife will explain to you.
Thank you, Alex, for giving me the opportunity. The quality of a YouTube video is determined by 3 factors: average view duration, title, and, of course, the thumbnail. If you can consistently do well in these 3 areas, even if you have no subscribers right now, YouTube's algorithm will push your content to millions of people and reward you. There are a few things you need to keep in mind carefully, and my husband will explain those to you. Honestly, I feel shy talking like this.
The things you need to keep in mind are: choose a topic that interests you. It's best if it relates to one of your hobbies. Create a script. Record a simple voiceover. Edit a good video that will engage and captivate viewers. Create an attractive title and thumbnail. For video editing, use Inshot or CapCut. Personally, I use CapCut because it's the easiest for me. If you are a beginner, it's a great option. If you don't like Inshot or CapCut, find another software that suits you. For script writing, I recommend using ChatGPT. For creating thumbnails, I personally use Canva. It's very easy to use and beginner-friendly. For voiceovers, using your own voice is best. However, if your microphone is bad or you feel shy about using your own voice, you can use AI voiceovers. I personally recommend 11 Labs because I use it. Strangers will give you the most honest tips. So, if you're unsure about how good your video or thumbnail is, discuss it with someone unfamiliar or with a friend or family member. When you feel your video is completely ready for upload, post it on YouTube and wait. YouTube usually takes 2 days to push the video to the homepage and test how good it is. If the click-through rate and average view duration receive positive feedback, it will start sending it to a larger audience. In summary, now is the easiest and best time to grow a YouTube channel. So, what are you waiting for?